Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to split elements in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Splitting here in Adobe Premiere Pro is a simple process depending on what you want to split. Now, for example, we're going to be hovering to one clip here. I'm going to isolate one clip in this whole video. All right, so I'm going to use this one right here. And then I'm going to copy this. Because what I'm going to do is to split this screen. I have now this. I'm going to select the first one. Drag it here, right? Now, if I play this now, what will happen is I have achieved a split screen kind of effect. All right, you see that? Amazing, right? And of course, you can rearrange, trim, edit your clips more precisely doing this. So for example, if you want to prolong this, I'm gonna copy this, right? I'm gonna stop this for now to paste it to make the video longer right here. And then what I'm going to do is to select all of them, click on the nest section. We have a separate video on how to nest this, say deep laughs. I have now a one single file that achieve this split screen. All right, I'm gonna delete all of these. Now, if you want to split this video in half, all right, what you can do is use the cut tool or the razor tool. I want you to press the C in your keyboard. What will happen is from the arrow right here, you see the arrow, it will turn into a razor tool. Wherein just cut it here. If you want to cut the video in half, you see that? You can cut the video in half after. Now, when the other half was cut, you can move it all around here. Switch back to the selection tool again to move or edit the split clips. So these are going to be some of the options for you to achieve this split effect here in the elements alongside your video. And of course, again, you can perform multiple split actions to the playhead in different positions and pressing the shortcut keys. All right, here in Adobe Premiere Pro. By following these methods, you can easily split clips in Premiere Pro for more precise editings and effect. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.